What is going on, my beautiful people? Welcome back to another video. My name is Alex Scarfe, and on this channel I share vegan recipes, fitness videos, and vlogs. Today is one of those recipe videos, but I want to hear from you guys. I'm thinking about changing the content up. I've been doing the same thing for over a year now, and I love change. So I want to hear from you guys. What kind of content do you guys want to see? Or do you currently like the content that you're seeing and you don't see anything that I need to change or anything like that? I love putting the ball in your guys' hands and letting you guys decide, so I would love to hear your guys' feedback. And real quick, if you guys enjoy this kind of content, consider subscribing. It helps me out a ton. It helps push this channel out to more people in the YouTube algorithm, and it helps further spread our message to the world. So if you guys could do me a favor, make sure to click that subscribe button and also click that notification bell so you never miss an upload. So the meal I'm gonna be making today is an air-fried sweet potato hash. I got some purple sweet potatoes, some broccoli, and some chickpeas, and I'm gonna show you guys the spices that I use for that. And also I'm gonna be weighing everything so I know the exact weight of it, so I can do a detailed Cronometer breakdown of all the food. So I'm probably not gonna break it down, but I will put it on the screen so you guys can see all the macros and micros, vitamins, minerals, all that good stuff. So let's get right into the kitchen. All right, guys, let's get started on this little sweet potato and veggie hash. So it's gonna be pretty simple here. I got 2 purple sweet potatoes, and I picked the purple ones because they're actually not that bad in price, and also they're much healthier, as you can tell from the purple color. So these have a bunch more anthocyanins, which I believe is a form of antioxidants, and that makes these much healthier and a good source of vitamin A, or beta carotene I should say, that will convert into vitamin A when we eat it. They're a little tough, but they are so sweet. Man, look at that color, guys, come on. All right, let's cut these a little bit more here. And I'm gonna add them into an empty bowl, and I'll show you guys what spices we're gonna use to spice these up. And I'm weighing everything out, so I got all this stuff. So here's the bowl right here. I'm gonna add the broccoli to it and 1 cup of chickpeas. So now I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of avocado oil, and I'm gonna spice it with some black pepper. And I'm gonna do some salt, paprika, and lastly, some onion powder. Now I'm not gonna waste my time trying to mix it in that little bowl. I should have picked a bigger bowl from the jump, so I'm gonna add it to this one, and then just toss it all around. That's how it looks all tossed around. Look at those beautiful colors. So I'm gonna put it into my favorite appliance, which you guys probably already know, is the air fryer. Fresh out of the air fryer, guys, check it out, man. What a beautiful sight. So let's dig into these. Gonna do a little taste test, but I already know it's gonna be delicious, so I'll keep that short. All right, guys, I already took a bite, but I'm gonna add some barbecue sauce to it just to elevate the flavor a little more. So let's do that. Love some barbecue sauce. I've been obsessed with it lately. All right, let's do a little broccoli, sweet potato. Get some chickpea in there. You guys see that? All right, let's dig in. Oh yeah. Air fried broccoli. You can't tell, but it's crispy, and I love that. So I'm gonna sit down and enjoy that food, guys. Like I said, it was delicious. And of course, I mean, roasted veggies, they're so simple to make. They're so easy, especially when you have an air fryer. You don't gotta fire up the oven and get it all ready for just like a little bowl of veggies. So get an air fryer if you guys don't have one. They are so simple, so versatile. You can use them for so many different things. Literally one of my favorite kitchen appliances besides the Vitamix for smoothies. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you're not subscribed already. Like I said earlier, that would help me out a ton. And of course, leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys thought, and also let me know what kind of content you guys want to see from me moving forward. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace!